guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well today. I assume you clicked on this video because you're here to learn the top 5 ways to make money as a teenager or as anyone else, but as most of us teenagers are struggling these days, if you continue watching this video, by the end you should start making money fast and from home. Now, most videos on YouTube are just there to tell you how to clean your neighbor's windows, walk their pet, get a part-time job, but this video is different, so stay tuned. Now, working in a part-time job can actually be quite boring as a teenager, and I left mine 6 months ago and I managed to gather these 5 ways you can make money which can be more enjoyable and you can work from home. Number 1 is reselling. Now, I can make a video on this in a bit more detail if you want me to, but reselling I've been doing for almost 2 years now and it has brought me a few coins in. Now, reselling is buying hype sneakers or streetwear such as Yeezys or Supreme and reselling it for a higher price. Now, this works really well if you learn more about the community, and the profits can be huge. It's actually quite shocking how much money people spend on some shoes. Don't get this confused with just high streetwear. This is a little bit different. This is items that go up in value. So it's almost like you're investing your money into those shoes and clothes and then reselling them for a higher price. This is relatively easy to do. There's a lot of pages on Instagram that constantly tell you what's coming up and what you should get and how much you'll resell for. And all you have to do is have some sort of device where you can buy those items, and the only time you'll have to get out of your house is if you're going to collect the items in store or when you're shipping them. But it's really worth it. Now, these 2 shoes alone have brought me in £1,200 profit. So as you can see, there is big money to be made. Number 2 is actually a really interesting one, which is to make a course. An online course that others can buy on any specific skill that you can teach them, and these also tend to do really well. So all you have to do is make a PowerPoint slide and teach someone any skill of your choice, something that you're good at. So for example, how to do online marketing, how to grow YouTube channels, how to meditate, how to do yoga, literally on anything you want. You make a course and then you can put it up on sale on many websites. There's Udemy, there's Teachable, there's Skillshare. I'm sure there's more, but you can make money this way quite easy just by working from home. And personally, I love designing and editing, so making really aesthetic PowerPoint slides can be really fun, and you can charge for your course as little or as much as you want, so good luck with that. Number 3 is using Fiverr. Now, Fiverr is where you provide a service for someone for £5 or above. If you're really good at something like designing logos or editing videos, translating, if you check out the site, there are so many different options that you can go into, and you have to create an account, create a gig, and you can start earning money this way. Again, if you're really good at something, this is relatively easy to do. I've seen people make many sales and I've seen people charge very high prices sometimes and still be successful. So make sure to check that out, and I hope it goes well. Moving on to number 4, which is growing an Instagram account and then earning money through shout outs. Now, how this works is you pick a niche that you want to go into. It's best to do one as least saturated as possible, and if you constantly upload, you will start gaining a following, and then pages similar to you will start paying money for shout outs. I'm partnered up with this page called Hustle the Hype, which is all about reselling, and currently we have over 55,000 followers, and every day there's about 3 to 5 people willing to pay a high price for shout outs, and all that requires you to do is ask them to send in what they want you to advertise, and you just have to upload it on to your feed or on your story depending on the deal that you've made. But yeah, this can bring a lot of money in as well. It may take a bit of time growing an Instagram page, however, if you stay constant and make sure you're engaging with your followers, it is possible to grow pretty quickly. This page was created in November 2017, so it's almost 2 years that it took us, but I've seen some pages grow even faster, and you can start earning money with as little followers as about 10,000, so it shouldn't be too hard. I'm really sorry about this lighting throughout the video. It's going really bright and then really dark. That's just the sun doing its own thing. I use natural lighting. I can't really do much about it. But we have one more area to cover, and that is turning a hobby into money. People really underestimate how well this can work. For example, if you're really good at baking, even to the smallest bits like specializing in just like cupcakes or like cake pops, you can try and sell those around your neighborhood. This is a fun way of making money because it's your hobby, it's something you enjoy doing, and if it starts bringing you in money, it gets even better. For example, even YouTube, if you've got a passion for making YouTube videos or editing, you can really grow on YouTube and start earning money. So that's another example of turning a hobby into money. I'm not saying turn your hobby completely into like a work-based activity. I'm saying you should still enjoy it as much as you do and do it like you always have, but that it can really interest some people, and if you can collect a few coins that way, then why not? As I said, this can range from any example of hobby, baking to making YouTube videos to painting to photography. It's all really dependent on you and what your hobby is. So yeah, why not give it a go? Make a separate Instagram page account for it so you can grow off there and get some orders in maybe that way, or just advertise on your own personal Instagram or like a Facebook page and watch that money come in. Britain has
such bipolar weather.
It's like sunny every 5 minutes and raining every 5 minutes. Really unpredictable, and it's kind of annoying because I'm trying to film, but what can you do? So yeah, those were my 5 ways to make money. I really hope you enjoy, and I really hope this helps you. Let me know down in the comments below if there are any more fun ways to make money from home that you figured out, and you can share it with all of us. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe for more videos in the future. I'll see you soon. Bye.